Hey moms, if you're wondering how often you should pump in a day, don't worry, I've been there too. In today's video, let's talk real about pumping schedules, milk flow, and how to make this journey easier for you and your baby. In the first few weeks, most experts recommend pumping 8 to 10 times in 24 hours. That's roughly every 2 to 3 hours, just like your baby would feed naturally. This helps your body build and maintain a healthy milk supply. Try setting a gentle routine: morning, midday, evening, and late night sessions. It's not about being perfect, it's about being consistent. Even if you miss a session, just pick back up again. Your body will adjust beautifully. Pumping can feel exhausting sometimes. But remember, every ounce you pump is pure love and dedication. Stay hydrated, eat well, and rest when you can. You're doing something truly incredible, Mama. Here's a small tip. Label your pumped milk with time and date, store properly, and always keep your pump parts clean. Small steps like these make pumping smoother and stress-free. At the end of the day, pumping isn't just about milk. It's about care, connection, and love. You're strong, you're amazing, and you're doing your best. Keep going, Mama.